Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to say hello real quick before I get started on our video to Disney World. This was our very first trip ever going to Disney for me and the kids. I don't think my husband has been there. He has just been to Florida. So this is my first time going to Florida and Disney World, but I just wanted to say a quick hello and say thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. And I am sitting here right now editing this video with my little puppy and the kids are with the sitter, but here's to the video and thank you guys so much for tuning in. We'll see you in the next one. Bye. So I wanted to start out this video by just giving you guys a bird's eye view of what I packed, not what I packed in detail, but how I packed. I laid everything out on my living room floor just so I could have a bird's eye view of like both kids' outfits. I also put everything in the half-gallon Ziploc bags because it was so easy each day just to hand the kid their bag with their undies, socks, outfit, and everything. Anyways, this was such a good hack. I highly suggest.
To release the bell, press the button of the buckle. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely buckled whenever keep your seatbelt fastened in case you experience unexpected rush of air.
This is cool.
Is this place cool, James? Whoa. Which way? This way's our room. Which way got Come on. Where's your backpack, James? James, you gotta tell us.
Yeah, right here, Mommy. Right
436. 436.
Oh, 36.
Go, sissy, go. Go, sissy, go. We should have got the 16th floor, huh? But I don't like going up that high.
Yeah, I don't like
And it gets my vertigo's really bad since being in the plane. James. This is our room, the very last one.
Oh, cool.
Dun, dun, dun. Whoa, there's you and Sissy's room, James. What? That's you and Sissy's room. You get your own room. See you guys. Bye. What?
Look at this place.
What? Wow. Get off our bed. You. Guess what? Let's see if we can see Disney. Oh my gosh, I see it. I see the Disney castle. Do you see it?
Oh, I can't swimming pool.
Yeah, look at her.
They come to get swimming.
Oh, you only have hundreds, huh? Oh my goodness.
Make me smile. What is it that you do?
What?
My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others.
Oh my gosh, Daddy.
You set my
Baby, we have a
world
bidet.
on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna
Daddy.
love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till
Babe, did you notice? Babe, our toilet has a bidet.
It does? Nice. Which one?
Good morning, guys. It's the day after getting to our hotel. We just had breakfast and now we're heading down to the pool. We're so tired, as you can tell. Can't see the pool really from here, but we're gonna go right down there. Daddy, you didn't bring your sunglasses?
No.
Here we go. Susie, say hi. So cute.
Or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive